How's it going, YouTube? Sick Eric back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing a display comparison between the LG Wing and the Pixel 4a 5G. Now both of these are OLED displays. They're both 1080p and they are both 60 Hz refresh rate. Only difference is the LG is a 6.8 inch, the Pixel is a 6.2 inch, I believe, but everything is pretty much the same as far as resolution goes and everything else. The Pixel is set to adaptive and the LG is set to vivid, and as you can see, a little comparison between the different wallpapers on the same wallpaper on both of them on how it looks. So we're going to go ahead and play some video for you guys and let you guys tell the difference between the two. Which one do you think will look better and things like that. So let's go ahead and jump down into it. But before we do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell. That way you're notified for my channel. I really appreciate it, guys. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. The LG, of course, is this T-looking thing over here, and the Pixel is going to be down here at the bottom, and this will sort of give you an idea how this display looks as well. So let's go ahead and jump down into it and get started on this display comparison between the LG Wing and the Pixel 4a 5G. Let's go. Alright, so now we're going to test out some brighter content on here. Now both these displays are set at about 85 to 90% brightness and nothing else is going on here. I'm trying to get the everything set up right on the camera. That way everything will get picked up nicely on here. So let's go ahead and jump down into it, shall we? Alright, just because we're going to go ahead and give you a look on how the little display looks between the two devices. Now, who's going to use their display like this? I don't know. If you're multitasking and you got something pulled up over here on the LG Wing and you want to watch something over on the side on the little display, we're going to go ahead and check that out, see how that looks. Alright, so there it was, guys. Which one do you think looked better, the LG Wing or the Pixel 4a 5G? Comment down below on which one you think looked the best and which one you liked the best on either one of these. So that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video of the display comparison between the LG Wing and the Pixel 4a 5G. Subscribe, do all that other stuff. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, thumbs down if you didn't, that's quite alright, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!